Academy, dear students. So today we'll discuss chapter 6, that is water, its distribution and circulation. This is for standard 7 and geography. Okay, so let's start from your question answer. Okay, come to your textbook question answer. So first is the multiple choice question. The raised part of wave is called the dash. Through, tide, core and crest. So answer is the option D, that is crest. Then question number 2, less than dash of the fresh water is available for the use of living organism. So 97%, 3%, 0.5% and 0.01%. So answer is right answer is option C, 0.5%. Then question number 3, evaporation in plants is called dash. Evaporation in plant is called dash. So condensation, transpiration, precipitation and perspiration. So right answer is option B, transpiration. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Dash is commonly known as water cycle. So right answer is hydrological cycle. Dash can occur as a rain, hail or snow depending on the temperature of air. So precipitation. Then question number 3, the average salinity of ocean water is dash of water, 35 gram per 1000 gram of water. The transformation of water vapor into water droplet is known as condensation. Okay, right answer is condensation. Then come to the very short answer type question. So between which latitude do the warm ocean currents flow? So the warm ocean current flow between low to high latitude. Then question number 2, name the three type of movements of water in oceans. Three type of movements of ocean water are, first is tide, waves, then ocean currents. Next question number 3, what is high tide and low tide? The periodical rise and fall of ocean water due to gravitational pull of moon and sun is called tides. This phenomenon occurs twice in a day. When water rises up, it is called up tide, and when it subsides, it is called down tides. Up tide and down tides. Then question number 4. Question number 4. So, what are the ocean current? Streams of water moving along the surface of oceans in definite path is known as ocean current. Ocean currents move in clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and in an anti-clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. Then question number 5, what is salinity? Salinity is the measure of the salt content in water. It is regulated by temperature and water density. Then come to the question number D, short answer type question. So first is question number 1, how do ocean currents help in bringing rain in the land masses? So rainfall is quite common in land masses closer to warm currents, while areas near cold current do not have much rainfall. Thus, they play an important role in the hydrological cycle. Winds blowing over the Indian Ocean pick up moisture and causes rainfall in the Indian Peninsula. Next, question number 2. What are the factors on which the rate of evaporation depends? The rate of evaporation depends on the following factors. First is temperature, second is air movement, third is humidity. Then question number 3. Explain the different forms of condensation. So first, different forms of condensation are dew. So droplet of water deposited on any cold surface as on vegetation in water. Second I, frost. Frost frozen dew or ice crystal on the ground surface formed due to temperature falling below freezing point. Then mist. Water vapor held in suspension by condensed moisture near the ground surface, limiting visibility. Then 4. Fog. Opaque cloud when condensation takes place near the ground. Then E. Long answer type question. So first question है differentiate between fresh water and saline water. So यहाँ पे हम फ्रेश वाटर और सालन वाटर के अंदर डिफरेंशिएशन दिखाएंगे, डिफरेंस क्या है दोनों में. सो फर्स्ट आई ऑप्शन, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज इट डज नॉट हैव डिजॉल्व सॉल्ट्स इन इट. फ्रेश वाटर में नमक नहीं होता है. इट कंटेंट्स डिजॉल्व सॉल्ट इन इट. सालिन वाटर में नमक रहता है. समुंदर के पानी और रिवर वाटर में सॉल्ट नहीं होता और समुंदर के पानी में सॉल्ट रहता है, नमकीन लगता है नहीं. सो इट इज़ फाउंड इन रिवर्स, लेक्स, ग्राउंड वाटर, स्नो, ग्लेशियर्स एंड as water vapor. Then it is found in oceans, seas and some lakes. Less than 3% of total quantity of water present on the earth. So more than 97% of total quantity of water present on the earth. Fourth point, the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius and the freezing point 0 degrees Celsius. Fourth point, the more saline water, the higher is the boiling point and the lower is its freezing point. B, it is less dense, it is much denser. So question number 2. So why should we conserve water? State some water saving techniques. We should conserve water because it is essential for the life system on the earth's surface. Some steps that we can take to conserve water are, first point is कैसे मतलब कि वाटर को कंजर्व करें ना. सो क्लोज टैप्स व्हेन नॉट इन यूज. डोंट कीप टैप्स ओपन वाइल ब्रशिंग. सो यूज बकेट एंड टैप्स वाइल बाथिंग इंस्टेड ऑफ शावर. रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग शुड बी डन टू प्रिवेंट रेन वाटर फ्रॉम गोइंग इनटू द ड्रेन्स. Water used to wash vegetables, pulses and rice can be used for watering plants. Don't throw waste in rivers and canals which pollute these freshwater resources. Adopt drip irrigation techniques instead of open canal irrigation. Then come to the question number 3. What are tsunamis? How do they cause destruction? So when there is an earthquake or volcanic eruptions on the ocean floor, it causes disturbance in the ocean water. These disturbances are termed as tsunami. Tsunami caused by the movement of air like winds, earthquake and tides. The tsunami waves caused by earthquake or cyclone are more destructive. They rise high and submerge the near surrounding coastal areas. Not only this, but their characteristic of backsliding causes a great loss of the surrounding area. Next, come to the question number 4. Discuss the importance of waves, tides and ocean currents. So importance of waves, tides and ocean currents. So first is waves from the beaches and lower the higher coast. Waves from the beaches and lower and the high coast into the coastal plains. Second of I, waves bring back in the rich sediments towards the coast and make them fertile. Then tides. First, tides are very useful in navigation. On high tides, sea gets deeper in the harbor, so ships can sail smoothly in and out of the harbor. Tidal energy has so much potential that it has been used to generate electricity. Tides also clear away the silts of the harbors by taking away mud and debris through down the by rivers. Ocean currents. So first is ocean current influence and moderate the climate of the coastal region. Warm current increases and cold current decreases the temperature of coastal region. Rainfall is quite common and landmasses closer to warm currents while areas near cold currents may form a cold desert. Warm current help in navigation by preventing water in a port from freezing during winter. Now, now again, coast is in the polar region, but it does not freeze in winter due to the warm North Atlantic drift. So that's it. The chapter is completed. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.